Well, hi there. Uh, Thanks for showing up for your learning. Let's take a look at these trigonometric identities. Okay, so the goal here is to prove that the left side equals the right side. But we don't work on them at the same time. We're going to work independently side by side. So over here, right side. Okay, 1/2 sine squared x. We can't really simplify that. But left side, let's take a look. Oh, the reason we can't is because our main strategy is going to be to write everything in terms of sine x and cosine x and see what we can cancel and what we can get out of the problem. So let's work the left side. Tan squared x could be written as sine x over cosine x, but squared. That would be tan squared x multiplied by cosine x. And I'm going to go ahead and write that over 1 because I know that will help some of you understand that it's a fraction. And then over 2 times secant of x. So it's 2 multiplied by, well, secant is 1 over cosine. Okay. All right. So let's keep going. So that's one simplification. The next simplification will be, let's go ahead and flip this and multiply. So we can have this is equal to sine squared x over cosine squared x, just squaring the numerator and the denominator there, multiplied by cosine of x over 1 multiplied by cosine of x over 1. That was this one flipped and now multiplying, all divided by 2. And wouldn't you know it, cosine x is going to cancel cosine x, and cosine x is going to cancel the other cosine x, leaving us sine squared x over 2. Well, that's sine squared x over 2. Okay, let's just factor that out, is equal to 1/2 multiplied by sine squared x. All right, so therefore, left side equals right side. And we're done. Okay, next one. Sine x plus tan x equals tan x. Oh, well, wait, we have to divide that out by cos x plus 1. Whoa, what's going on? All right, let's try this. Okay, so let's simplify the right side. Let's work in another color. Black. I like working in black. Okay, the right side in this case is sine x over cosine x. Because don't forget, tan x is equal to sine x over cosine x. All right, let's see that left side and see if we can massage that into something similar. The left side equals, well, sine x over 1, that's just sine x, plus sine x over cosine x. And I'm actually going to move this over a little bit. I'd like a little bit more space so I can save a line here. This is the left side is equal to that, all divided by cosine of x plus 1. And I'm going to remind you that everything is divided by 1 because I am going to flip that and multiply in just a second. All right, so sine x over 1 plus sine x over cosine x. I need to create a common denominator. And when I create a common denominator, I always multiply the top and the bottom of a fraction by the same thing. Okay, so that's multiplying by 1, which doesn't change it, but it does write it as a new common denominator. So let's write that down here. Cosine x multiplied by sine x over cosine of x. Okay, that's what we just created by creating a common denominator, plus sine x. But since it's all over cosine x, I can write that as one fraction. Okay, and then let's put that numerator in brackets and multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator, 1 over cosine of x plus 1. Okay, that's just what you do when you have a fraction. All right, now something. Okay, so now we do numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. Okay, but cos x times sine x plus sine x times 1 doesn't change it. So I'm just going to write cos x times sine x plus sine of x, all divided by the cosine x times cosine x plus 1. And let's write that way. It's going to be advantageous to do that. Cosine of x times cosine of x plus 1. All right. Now, what can we do? I don't see anything that can cancel because I have addition on the top. Try factoring. Okay, so try some factoring here. See if you can factor that. Oh, I noticed that on the top, I have something that will factor out. I have sine x plus sine x, so I can factor that. So it will look like this. Sine x multiplied by, well, in order to recreate that line, I need to multiply sine x by cosine of x. That would be this term here, plus 1. And then that would all be divided by cosine of x multiplied by cosine of x plus 1. Aha! I see something that will cancel out. Get my canceling pen. Very excited to cancel this pesky cosine x plus 1 factor from top and bottom. And that will leave us with the left side equaling sine x over cos x equals the right side. What are you talking about? Remember, we simplified the right side to sine x over cosine x because that's what tan x is. So, therefore, left side equals right side. And that's how you solve this problem. All right, that was one way. Maybe you have a different way. Share it in the comments. Or maybe you can't make comments on my videos. I don't know. Send me an email and we'll chat about it in class. I mean, we see each other in the real world, not just the digital world. So, interact with me that way. And thank you for showing up for your learning. Bye for now, everyone.